If you've ever struggled to deploy a voice AI agent that actually works, this is the video you've been waiting for. Whether you're building for your team or white labeling for clients, Synthflow gives you full control over the voice, flow, knowledge, and behavior of every AI call. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create, configure, and launch AI voice agents that sound human and perform like a pro. Hey, I'm Caleb, video creator here at Synthflow. This is your complete walkthrough of the platform designed to help you go from zero to fully deployed AI voice agents fast. Whether you're looking to route inbound tier 1 calls, extract information from leads, qualify prospects, or automate follow-ups, this is where it all starts. I'll show you how to create powerful production-ready voice agents from scratch, no code required. Let's start right here inside the dashboard. Synthflow is a full-stack voice AI platform. You're not just building a chatbot with a voice, you're creating fully functional AI voice agents that can place real phone calls, answer incoming ones, respond to questions, book appointments, transfer calls, and so much more. It's fast to deploy, easy to customize, and built for scale, whether you're testing one agent or managing thousands. The best way to learn Synthflow is to build your first AI voice agent. When you click Create Agent, you'll see 3 options: Start from scratch, Total control from the ground up, quick setup, guided creation with pre-filled steps. And you can also browse templates, ready-made flows you can customize and deploy right away. Many of the templates here were created by expert users and early adopters in our community. They're designed to give you a solid foundation so you can see how prompts are structured, how flows are built, and how a complete agent behaves in a real-world scenario. But once you're comfortable, you'll likely want to build your own from scratch and tailor it to your exact workflow. Once your agent is created, you'll land inside the configuration view. This is where you define how your agent behaves. You'll see multiple tabs. For example, dashboard. This tracks all call activity for the agent with timestamps, outcomes, and recordings. The configuration, where you set your AI model, time zone, and connected knowledge base. In the voice tab, you can select from a library of voices and adjust speech settings like speed and pauses. In the call settings tab, you can configure how calls behave, things like how long the agent waits before speaking, idle reminders. For example, you can tell the agent to pause for a second after someone answers so it feels more natural, or set an idle reminder if the caller stops responding. The core of every agent is its prompt, the instructions that guide how it speaks, listens, and responds. You can write prompts manually or use the Flow Designer to build the conversation visually. In Flow Designer, you'll see a drag and drop interface that lets you build logic with branches, conditions, and actions. It's perfect for creating structured conversations like qualifying a lead, capturing specific info, or routing calls. You can add steps, set conditions, and trigger actions all without touching code. And as you build, Synthflow automatically generates the underlying prompt for you in the background. If you prefer full control, you can always switch back to prompt mode and work directly with the prompt text. Actions are what make Synthflow agents more than just talkers, they're doers. They let your AI voice agent handle real business tasks across your systems and workflows. Here's how actions work across 3 stages of the call. Before the call, you can trigger a custom action before the call even starts. For example, when a lead calls in, your agent can look them up in your CRM using their phone number. That way it starts the call already knowing who it's talking to. Those pre-call actions help personalize the experience and prep your backend for what's coming next. During the call is where Synthflow really shines. While the call is happening, your agent can book appointments using your calendar. We integrate with tools like cal.com and go high level. It can transfer calls to a real person with 3 options. Cold transfer, which sends the call directly to a human representative. Warm transfer with message, which is a fixed pre-written message is played to the human agent before transferring the call. And where our agents really shine is warm transfer with contextual summary. This allows the human agent to be introduced to the situation before handing it off, so the human picks up with context already in place. You can run custom actions mid-conversation. This means your agent can hit your APIs, search a database, update a record, or send data to another tool, all while still on the call. These are real-time API calls. If you're not technical, think of it like this. You're plugging your agent into the apps you already use so it can get or send info without anyone needing to lift a finger. Once the call ends, you can run information extractors. These automatically pull useful details from what the caller said. You can extract things like contact info, their response to a yes or no question, their reason for calling, any keywords or phrases that matter to your workflow, and then you can push that info wherever you need, into your CRM, a Slack channel, a Google Sheet, wherever. So put simply, actions are what turn AI voice agents into business agents. Every voice agent needs a phone number. Synthflow makes it easy. You can either purchase phone numbers directly in the platform or connect your existing Twilio account if you already have numbers. Once added, you assign numbers to agents in the deployment tab. so each one knows what number it's calling from. You can also set up a webhook. This sends data from Synthflow to other tools automatically. For example, after a call ends, you might want to send a message to Slack, update a contact in HubSpot, trigger a workflow in Zapier. That's what webhooks are for, and you can configure them right here in the agent setup. To track your agents, be sure to check the call logs tab. This is your live activity feed. You'll see who the agent called, when the call happened, how long it lasted, whether it was a live call or a test call, and the status, like completed, no answer, busy, voicemail, or failed. You can also click into any call to see full details. For example, the end call reason, unique call ID, full transcripts and recordings, and even shareable links for reviewing with your team. This section is your command center where you review, troubleshoot, and optimize everything your agents are doing. Every agent starts with a prompt. This is the core set of instructions that guides how it talks, what tone it uses, and how it responds in different situations. You can write prompts manually if you want full control, or use the Flow Designer to build conversations visually. It's a drag and drop tool that lets you map out dialogue without any complex logic. It's especially useful for non-technical users or when you're managing a longer call flow with decision branches, but prompting is only half the equation. To make your agent truly helpful, you'll want to connect it to a knowledge base. This is where it pulls real information from. There are 3 ways to build a knowledge base in Synthflow. Create a new document from scratch, upload a PDF, or paste in a website URL. Synthflow will scan and extract the content automatically. Once you've added a knowledge base, your agent can reference that content in real time using Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG. That means it doesn't memorize everything. It searches the knowledge base live when a question is asked, finds the most relevant information, and responds based on what it finds. This makes your AI answers more accurate, more up-to-date, and more aligned with your business or client's domain and brand. And yes, you can create multiple knowledge bases for different agents, use cases, etc. Everything is managed from the knowledge base tab. So to put it simply, the prompt is how your agent speaks. The knowledge base is what it knows, and RAG is how it finds the answer when it needs it. Once your agent is ready, the next step is automation, and that's where workflows come in. Workflows tell your agents when to act automatically. Whether it's an outbound call campaign, a lead filling out a form, or an inbound call coming through, workflows let you control the full logic behind the scenes. Synthflow's no-code workflow builder works like Zapier. Just drag, drop, and connect steps. No developers needed. There are several built-in workflow types you can start with. Batch, catch workflow. Schedule agents to make outbound calls in bulk, which is great for follow-up campaigns. Form to call, automatically trigger a call when someone submits a form. Receive calls, handle inbound calls and route them to the right department. Batch trigger workflow lets you fire off calls based on preset conditions like status changes or updates in your CRM. Workflows are especially useful if you're following up with warm leads, qualifying inbound callers, running multi-step nurture campaigns, syncing with CRMs like HubSpot or Go High Level to update records or start conversations automatically. Each workflow can include conditions, variables, integrations, and actions, so you have complete control over how and when your AI voice agents are activated. Best of all, you can monitor performance right inside the workflow builder, so if you need to tweak something, you can do it on the fly. Workflows are the automation layer that turns voice AI agents into a full business tool, not just a call handler, but a process runner. Synthflow is built for scale, and if you're an agency or a reseller, subaccounts and white labeling are where the real power kicks in. With subaccounts, you can create fully isolated client workspaces under your main account. Each subaccount gets its own agents, workflows, contacts, phone numbers, and knowledge bases. You can manage everything from your agency dashboard. As the workspace owner, you control permissions at a granular level. Decide who can create assistants, actions, workflows, and contact lists. Set whether they can access the knowledge base or manage integrations. Limit the number of agents, minutes, or concurrent calls available. Assign specific integrations or hide features altogether. This means you can create a clean, tailored experience for each client without giving them more than they need. If you're on the agency plan, you can also fully white label the platform. Add your own logo and color scheme, run everything under your own custom domain, customize which features are visible to clients, resell access under your brand with complete flexibility. You can also attach clients to custom pricing plans that you define. Allocate monthly minutes, limit the number of agents, workflows, or concurrent calls, gate access to features like inbound calls or voice widgets, Set up rebilling or usage based pricing on your own terms. You can even bulk import assistance, actions, or workflows into subaccounts, which is perfect for pre built solutions or onboarding packages. Everything is usage tracked, with overages applied automatically according to your plan limits. And with support for up to 10,000 subaccounts, you're covered whether you're managing 5 clients or 5,000. If you're looking to launch your own branded voice AI platform without the engineering lift, this is how you do it. Now you've seen what Synthflow can do. From building your first AI voice agent to automating actions to managing clients at scale with white labeled subaccounts, whether you're routing inbound support calls, running outbound campaigns, qualifying leads, or embedding a voice widget on your site, Synthflow gives you the tools to do it faster, better, and smarter. And this is just the beginning. We're continuing to publish new videos that go deeper into things like prompting and conversation design, real-time booking and API actions, workflow automation, and best practices from power users and real deployments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss what's next. Hit that bell icon to get notified when we drop new walkthroughs and feature updates, and click here to watch the next video. Let's build something great and see you in the next one.